Did you know that almost every video you watch is using color to influence your subconscious mind? Have you ever wondered why you instantly feel tension watching a movie trailer, or why an ad makes you crave a product? Let's do a quick mental exercise. Imagine a horror movie. What colors come to mind? Probably deep blues, greens, and washed out grays. Now, imagine a rom-com. Soft pinks, golden yellows, bright, warm tones. That's color psychology in action.
There's science behind this. Our eyes react to the specific wavelength of each color, and those signals bypass the logic centers and directly trigger emotional responses in the brain. CapCut is simply the tool we use to control that trigger.
You might think of CapCut as a simple editor, but its color tools are surprisingly powerful. Let's take a tour. Here is the Adjustments tab. We have basic presets called LUTs, which are great for a quick start, but we want to go deeper. The most important tools for emotional grading are HSL, hue, saturation, luminance, graphs or curves, vibrance, and saturation.
Here's a raw, flat clip. It's dull and boring. I'm going to apply just basic technical corrections, exposure, contrast first. This highlights the initial impact.
Red, orange, and yellow. These equal energy, passion, and urgency. Use them when you want to inject excitement into an action clip, a food shot, or a joyful moment.
Blue, green, and purple. These signal calm, tranquility, but also mystery or sorrow. They are perfect for night scenes, contemplative moments, or nature vistas. Stripping away saturation provides realism, grittiness, seriousness, or a sense of the past. Conversely, highly vibrant colors create a sense of fantasy, childhood, or extreme excitement.
While a full manual grade gives ultimate control, sometimes you need an instant, powerful emotional shift. That's where LUTs come in. They're prepackaged emotional recipes.
If your goal is to evoke warm nostalgia, comfort, or a sunny memory, the standard CapCut filter Golden is a fantastic shortcut. To inject instant drama, intensity, and a cinematic feel, try Dark Film or Vlog Pro. These filters often utilize the classic film look. When you need to convey calm, tranquility, or subtle mystery, look for filters that prioritize blue and green tones. Remember, LUTs are a starting point. Always follow up a LUT with minor manual adjustments, especially checking the white balance and the HSL, orange-red, for accurate skin tones. The color grade is finished when the emotion feels right.
Now for some magic. Here is an average landscape clip. Boring. To turn this into a dramatic scene, we use cool tones, high contrast, and add a hint of dark blue into the shadows. The most common mistakes that ruin emotional intent are oversaturation, which looks artificial, and incorrect white balance. Skin tones turn green or purple. Always check your orange and red HSL channels to protect those skin tones. To recap, warm tones mean energy. Cool tones mean peace or sadness. Saturation equals excitement, and desaturation means realism. And CapCut's HSL and graphs tools allow you to control these emotions precisely.